Scan ang QR code winner 25 rand. Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with SIRA. Visit www.sira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Kalan 0. I'm joined by Menier.
Tibos.
Yeah.
Ngakutshela Tibos. Mina eOrlando.
Yeah.
Mangadlula ama team ayi2.
Yeah.
Ngicedile ngeKhalile.
Yeah. It's there.
Itriple.
Yeah.
Imali Pirates kanje.
Siyayithatha.
Uyayikhumbula iCosta Bapik?
Yeah.
Uyayikhumbula?
Yeah.
Happy people.
Yes.
Back again.
They're back.
Siyabuyela thina ama happy people.
Pirates.
Namhlanje ngijabulile. Ngiyakhuluma ngalento ngikutshela ngayo.
Yeah.
Mara namhlanje bayibonile.
Yeah.
Umuntu okhathela kakhishwa.
Yeah.
But Pioneer,
Yeah.
I'm happy for it.
Yeah.
I'm happy for the Pirates, for the coach.
Yes.
Let's go for Tina. Mina ngikhuluma ngamanye ama-team. Ngikhuluma nge-team. Hayi.
Yeah.
Mina ngikutshela nge-team yami if iflop.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mina ngithi mina ngikutshelile ne.
Yeah.
Mina ngithi bamela kuwe.
Yeah.
Treble is coming for Pirates.
Treble is coming this season.
In that bank.
Yeah.
That's a bonus.
It's a bonus, man.
It's a bonus game. Abakhulume.
Yeah.
Baloku bayalandela abana game.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukukhuluma ngabo.
Yeah.
Bayalandela.
Yeah.
Ngifuna low 10.
Yeah.
You can't talk about the Pirates no.
Yeah.
Because they don't have the point.
Yeah.
Mina sengina 2 out. Mina ngisadlalela niks.
Yeah.
Sengifuna abantu bajabule.
Yes.
Ngempela happy people are back again.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?